right?
Wow.
3.6, 0 to 60. Or, yeah, 3.6, 0 to 60.
4-door.
We're starting to do a lot more Dodges and Fords, so any of you SRT guys out there looking for more performance out of your vehicle, or even your Ford guys with the new 5-liter Mustangs or trucks, feel free to give us a call anytime.